The AUTOABC Linux Screen for BMW NBT System is a game changer for BMW owners looking to elevate their driving experience. From its effortless installation process to its impressive performance, this touchscreen will leave you thoroughly impressed. First and foremost, the installation process is a breeze. It's a plug-and-play system, meaning you don't need to be a tech wizard to get it up and running. Within minutes, you can replace your old screen with the stunning 10.25-inch HD display, and it will seamlessly integrate with your existing head unit. One of the standout features of the AUTOABC screen is its support for both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're an iPhone user or an Android fan, you can seamlessly connect your device and enjoy access to your favorite apps, calls, and navigation while on the road. What's more impressive is that despite the upgrade, all the original features of your BMW will remain intact. From the iDrive controller to the steering wheel controls, everything works seamlessly with the AUTOABC screen. Plus, with support for aftermarket and OEM backup cameras, parking sensors, and even front view cameras, parking and maneuvering in tight spots has never been easier. The built-in microphone ensures crystal clear phone calls, while the multiple USB inputs allow for endless entertainment options. Whether you're streaming music or playing videos, the AUTOABC screen delivers exceptional audio and video quality. Furthermore, the fast boot-up time of just 3 to 5 seconds means you're ready to hit the road in no time. And features like screen mirroring, DVR input, and Siri voice control further elevate the driving experience. To summarize, the AUTOABC Linux Screen for BMW NBT System is a must-have upgrade for any BMW owner. It combines cutting-edge technology, ease of use, and seamless integration to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. So if you're looking to take your BMW to the next level, look no further than the AUTOABC screen.